We're here in North Richland Hills. You'll have to excuse my voice. I've been a little sick, but looks like we're getting better slowly. So, just wanted to show you real quick. Got the open ditch inspection. That's why we've got nobody here. The trench is open because the city will have a requirement. It has the requirement that they be able to see all of the connections and such. There we go. And here is the beginning of our backflow. Got the isolation valve here to shut off the water. Got your double check here and your master valve here. And of course that leads back to more fun, aka sprinklers. But if you're looking for a lawn sprinkler installation, you can contact us here at Thrive Outdoor Solutions at 817-946-1805. Thank you very much.